Some creatures have special abilities to help them find things in their environment when it is too dark to see. Bats use sound energy to help them see in the dark through a process called echolocation. Pit vipers can actually detect heat energy produced by other animals to help them find their prey in the dark. Humans don't have special abilities to help us see in the dark. Our bodies need light energy to sense where things are and allow us to see what objects look like. In this video, we will learn all about light energy and how it allows us to see. We will learn how light bounces off of objects and then is absorbed by our eyes. And we will learn that not all objects reflect light in the same way. And after you're done watching the video, you can test your knowledge with the activity bundle filled with challenge pages, scavenger hunts, and a classroom discussion slideshow. The link to download those is in the description. So, what is light? Light is a form of energy that allows us to see. Light can come from many different sources. Examples of light sources include the sun, light bulbs, flashlights, candles, and screens, like the ones on phones, TVs, and computers. But here's an important fact. Most objects do not produce their own light. Your books and your desk don't glow. Your pencil doesn't light up from the inside. So how can you see these objects? Well, that's where reflection comes in. Reflection is when light bounces off of a surface, kind of like how a ball bounces off the ground. When light energy from a light source hits an object, the light reflects off that object. The reflected light then travels to your eyes and is absorbed, and that's how you see the object. But not all objects reflect light in the same way. Let's look at transparent materials first. Transparent materials, like clear glass or water, allow light to pass through them. They reflect very little of the light. You can see right through transparent objects, like this transparent window. Then there are translucent materials, like frosted glass, tracing paper, or sunglasses. Translucent materials allow more of the light to pass through, but they still reflect a lot of it. That's why you can partially see what's on the other side, but it is not as bright and not as clear. Then there are opaque materials, like wood, metal, or a thick stack of paper. Opaque materials reflect all of the light energy. None of the light energy can pass through to the other side. We will finish by looking at a few examples of how the reflection of light energy works. Take a look at this image. On the left is a teddy bear that is fully illuminated by energy from the light bulb. On the right is the same teddy bear under a table. The table is made out of wood, which is an opaque material. So why can we still see the teddy bear that is under the table? Well, just because the light energy is being reflected off the top of the table and not directly hitting the teddy bear, some of it is still getting to the teddy bear because it is bouncing off the walls and illuminating it. The teddy bear on the left is brighter because light is going directly to it and bouncing off of it. Now let's look at one last example of how light reflection works. In the top image, you can see the person holding their flashlight, but it is pointing out at an empty field. In the bottom image, you can see that the light from their flashlight is hitting a tree directly in front of them. So, do you notice any differences between the person's face in the top and bottom image? In the bottom image, their face is brighter because light is reflecting off of the tree and bouncing back at their face. Great job following along with the video today. If you'd like to keep exploring these concepts, you can download all the extension activities by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.